Good day, guys. Today we have here Beam Electrolux vacuum cleaner. I have POWERHEAD to my vacuum cleaner. Here we have a nozzle with handle. You see, as you can see in that flashing light, it's plugged into the power. So what I'm gonna do is just to try this POWERHEAD on. I'm gonna hold it like this so it won't suck my newspapers here. So I'm gonna turn it on. And now I'll turn on that POWERHEAD. But all of a sudden, when I figure out I have some issue, I have some problems, so I did turn it on. And after you turn the handle, the power was off, and I wasn't sure what is the reason why the power is off. So during my investigation, I'll turn it off. So during my investigation, I found out that this POWERHEAD is actually all good. I have no problem with this POWERHEAD, but the problem was with this hose handle. As you can see, this hose handle is plugged to the power, but when I will turn it, you see, it actually turns off. So I figure out that this is turns off itself. So how to actually disassemble that handle? How to actually get inside of this handle? I will show you. I will just first of all I will unplug it. So now it's all safe, and it's very easy solution, very easy thing to do. All you have to do is just take some sort of what is that, kind of needle, or right now I'm using a screw and just make it very sharp at the end. And what I'm doing to take it, to disassemble it, and just pulling this out from one side and from the other, and you see I have this kind of knob here. You can see here. Same we have on the other side. So all you have to do is just pull it up. And from the other side, and that's it. And one more thing you have to do is just to take a flat screwdriver, and from the bottom side you have two holes here. Have those two holes here, so all you have to do is just to push this inside here and inside here. That's it. Now you can just undo it. That's it. And then you see here how it's all greasy with lots of debris. So what I'm gonna do is just to clean it up and then see what happens. I have here acetone. So you guys make sure that this is all safe and you unplug it from the socket. We have lots of dust here. So I will all clean it up. It's a bit worn out. Now with a knife I want to just clean those contacts a little bit. You know what I'm gonna do? I will probably take some sort of sandpaper. So I took 320 grade sandpaper, and I will just sand it a little bit so those contacts will be clean and smooth again. Okay, so that's gonna, I think it should be fine now. Now here we have some contacts, so I'll try to yeah, if you can see that here, there I have all the contacts, so I'll just pull them up a little bit. And also I will clean them, but not with the acetone, but with some kind of rag. Just don't want to damage the electrical board down there. So I'm gonna be just I will just wipe it off. I have the rag here, and all I'm gonna do is just clean it up from all the debris and the dust. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah. And that's it. It's all clean and ready to be inserted again, ready to be used again. So right now I will just put the hose back. Here I'll put back those knobs, one from one side and the other one from the other side. That's it. And here we have those two holes, so I'm gonna just push it back. That's it. That's it. That's what we want to do. Right now I'll just plug it in, plug everything in. So you see that this handle is working. I will turn it on. Works. I'll turn it off. And now I will take this POWERHEAD. I'll plug it in. And now you will see that this thing is actually working now. Here I will plug this on. I will turn this on.